So we got less sodas, the Fanta ones. I don't know if the market was.
Price is good. Yuko sawa, hiyo ni tamu pia.
Tamu.
Atachukua tu yeyote. Sprite ndio nyingi, chukua tu.
What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj_KE. Thank you so much for the people who are watching me. Thank you so much for subscribing and sharing your videos to your friends. Guys, we're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. Being on Sunday today here in Africa. Yeah, we are at Migori, guys. I'm so happy to be here. And you know, above all, God is above all. Above all, God is above all. Yeah. I always say peace and positive vibes all the way, guys. So keep praying for us. Keep praying for everyone who is doing our genuine work. Keep praying for the people who are doing genuine work, guys. I really support all people who are doing genuine work, and I advocate for that. So today we are in a church, a different church from where we always go, guys. Yeah, this is International Gospel Ministries. Yeah, here in Migori County. This is our county. This is where our county is. You know, in Kenya we have counties. So this is the county that we are from. That is Migori, guys. And I really appreciate you guys for supporting us all the way from there. And I want to share with you the word of God from here, from Migori. And the people who are watching me from Migori, kindly, today I'm here. And I'm doing a video from this church, International Gospel Ministries. Yeah, and God bless you. And God bless you abundantly. Peace and love always. So we want to go in. Of course, I was in, but I came out to give you this view of this place, or rather this church. So yeah, so I want to give you this view of this church, guys, how it looks like from outside. Then inside, I will give you also another view of inside, guys. So you know, I'm not I'm not used to do videos here in Migori. You know, yeah. At some point when you get to a place that people don't know you, it's hard to do video. But I'm trying my best, guys. Yeah, I'm trying my best. So I'm with my parents here. Of course, my mom, village grandpa, village grandma, and also Maria, and also a friend here that accompanied us. So, guys, thanks to Nasto, he gave us his car. Due to some unavoided circumstances, he couldn't make it here. But I really believe and pray he's doing, like, we will pray for him. And he was supposed to come, but due to unavoided circumstances, he's so busy, so he gave me his car here. Yeah, so we're here, guys. Let's go in and pray with me together so that we can give thanks to the Almighty, of course, everything that he has done to me, my parents, and everyone in our family. Yeah. So guys, this is the church. Let's go in. Good morning, guys. So we are here today. Welcome to our new vlog of today, guys. Blessed week. So guys, we are here. We want to buy some things from the children's home, Noah's Boat. Yeah, so it's a beautiful week, and I'm really happy to be here today and to be alive. So guys, we are going again to visit Noah's Boat. So they are blessed with something from Mel from US. Thank you so much. God bless you abundantly for supporting children's home, Noah's Boat children's home. So guys, I just bought some sweets here right now from this supermarket, Nyabohanse. It's called Motatiro Supermarket, Cindy. Yeah, Motatiro Supermarket. So we bought some sweets here for the children, and also we are going to buy here milk for the children's home. Yeah, so we will be taking this one packet of one box of milk. This is Lato. Yeah, so I think we should take this one. Yes, so going to take Lato, and also we have some sodas and yeah, some things that we bought for them. Yeah, so we're going to pay here ini 650. So this is Kenyan shillings, 650. 650 shillings. Yeah, so guys, we have some crates of soda which we have bought for the Noah's Boat children's home. So we are going to give them today, guys. It's a blessing for them, guys. So I'm coming live from Village Grandpa and Village Grandma's Hardware. So the reason why we put this here, we bought them yesterday, so we saw we cannot take them home. Then we bring them here because here it's near the road. So that's why we kept them here for easy transportation. So guys, we will be going with Nasto, so we are just looking for Nasto. And also today we will be also going with Village Grandma, so that she said she want to see the Noah's Boat children's home. So I think I was the first, not even I think, I was the first person, or rather I was the first person to be on Noah's Boat. The first day I went there, and I think we were taking something there, me and Nasto, and then yeah, doors opened, and God is good. They are doing well. Everything has changed, and God is keeping on blessing the children who are there. And today also they are blessed. They are going to enjoy the sodas. They're going to we have some sweets here, guys, and some milk and bread. So we have them here. Yeah, so, and some sweets, guys. So let's wait for Nasto, and then we keep moving, guys. Keep on supporting us, keep on watching the videos, keep on telling a friend to tell another friend to subscribe to Maj_K. We are on the road to success, guys. So let's move, guys. Yeah, so guys, finally Nasto is here, and yeah, how are you, bro?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yes, guys, we are here. So I came with the van. Today we are going again to the children's home. I think this is an easy way of transportation.
Yeah.
Because the gifts I'm seeing are a lot. We could not carry them in motorbikes, so I offered the van so that at least it can be easy to transport. And to the person who did this, may God bless you abundantly.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. You know, this festive season is for sharing.
Yes.
Yeah. Exactly. I know the kids will be very, very happy. So guys, you can go check me out also on YouTube at It's Nasto. And today also we are going with Maja's mom.
Yeah.
It's a very good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. To share with them during this festive season. Yeah, so guys, let's travel along and see how the day goes by.
Yeah. So guys, you can see the goodness of having van like this,
it really
and
helps.
it helps a lot because we have a lot here. So if we would go with the motorbikes, it will yeah, maybe 3 or 4. Yeah. So guys,
put them in.
yeah. So mom, say hi.
Hi, how are you? How are you, subscribers? I am Maja's mother. We are heading to Noah's boat to visit the children's, the disabled children's,
Not
the
disabled.
vulnerable children's. So we are very happy. We are going with this vehicle last because the border cannot carry all of this and plus us. We are very happy. God bless you. Keep on subscribing. God to success.
Yeah. Go to success. Yes, guys, that is my mom. We are heading with her. Fantastic. So, guys, we tried to look for the other Fanta.
Fanta orange.
Fanta orange. They are not there. Yeah.
But this one
So,
is good also.
yeah, I think Sprite and yeah, and we have milk here also.
Yeah, so here we are sharing with the kids. It's a good feeling. Yeah?
Yeah, so guys, we're here. You can see the van is full of the sodas and the bread. We have some sweets here. We have also milk here. So we are almost there, guys. And this place is so nice. Nasty, what do you think about this place? Like, especially here, this house here.
It's a very beautiful house.
Yeah. So imagine it's someone's house, but it looks like a hotel. Like a hotel, yeah. So guys, this is the way. Yeah, so guys, we are finally here, and this is the children's home we always come. Yeah, Nasto, what do you think about the person who like has decided to buy, you know?
Yeah.
I was told to buy some sodas and some foodstuffs for them.
Yeah.
So that is what they told me to do.
Yeah.
And this is what we have done.
Yeah,
Of course. What do you think?
It's really good. I'm really happy. And also the other problem that I'm seeing, maybe if they are well wishers or even if it's the YouTubers, we can come together. We give them maybe some clothes also.
Yeah, exactly.
Like we can go to the shops, maybe at the border town, get some few clothes here and there.
Yeah.
We come and give them. Or maybe if you have kids and maybe they have outgrown their clothes, then you can kindly.
Yes,
We
exactly.
can collect them and then one day we bring for them here. I think that is the challenge that they have.
They have, yes.
But so far I'm seeing everything is good. Yeah. Health-wise, they are doing good.
Yeah.
And we thank God for that.
Yeah. So I think we should maybe try and do a meet and greet.
Yeah.
So
then people can
so that
bring maybe small clothes.
Yeah.
We do things like those.
yes.
So that maybe even if it's Christmas Day, we can come here with the clothes, even the shoes, something like that. I think after we move out of here, we can go and organize something like that.
Yeah, and plan. And I think what we should do a meet and greet here.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, we do a meet and greet here, and then everything will be well. So we are here, Mom.
Yes.
How have you been?
Let me say we are doing well. And me, I'm doing well. Not like last time when you were here.
Yeah.
I was so sick. I have a lot of allergy. I was itching my face, my eyes. But now I'm recovering. So it's only to welcome you and say, feel at home. And I'm so happy again to meet you, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel so blessed. When you come with at least somebody who is like my age, I feel now we are together in the same field and we are working together.
Yeah.
So I really feel so blessed. Yeah, and even our kids, they are doing well.
Yes.
Everybody is doing very well.
Yeah.
Yeah, so welcome Noah's boat. And we love you all.
Yeah.
For all your subscribers,
Yes.
I can say thank you so much for your support and even your donation. Thank you for supporting our kids. let us please continue praying for one another.
Yeah,
Thank
exactly.
you so much.
So I think my mom knows I've been coming here. Mom, this was the first person me and Nasto
She
to,
told me.
yeah, to come here, and God has blessed and opened doors. You know, we always come back, and also God has blessed us.
I'm very
Yeah.
privileged.
So I want to say thank you to Madam Mel. Thank you so much for supporting this orphanage. The last time we were here, it was also Madam Mel, and yeah. So we really appreciate you so much.
Appreciate so much.
Yeah. So we are here. We have 70, 70?
78.
78.
Yes.
Yeah.
But she told me yesterday
Yeah.
some other kids.
3.
We have some other kids from the government,
Yeah.
from FGM. So we don't put them together because they are just here for 3 months. They are 18 guys. About FGM. So they have been cut. Yeah, they just relaxing.
Yeah.
They don't want to go to
Yeah.
And yesterday, then we went to rescue other 3 girls, and they are here. So the smallest was like 2 years and a half, and 6.
Can we see them? Maybe?
Yes. Why the kids? Wale watoto nileta jana hapa.
Yeah, so these are the kids guys here. Barry Zenyu, how are you? Say hi. Hi. Hey. Okay.
Naitwa Faith and Mary and Sophia.
Faith, Mary and Sophia.
Yeah. This is Faith, this is Mary, and this is Sophia.
Oh.
Those are the kids I went yesterday to rescue from Masaba, yes. Yeah, I went there and the situation was so bad. Even you cannot explain. The situation was so bad. And even as you can see them, this is the food that we just give it to them. And we are planning to go to the market, maybe on a market day, and do for some clothes for them.
We shall also
They are
do some
like
Yeah.
total orphan. They were staying with the grandmother. She's I don't know what we call epileptic sickness, and even when I was there yesterday, she was just falling down, and it looks so sad to me. But we really thank God because it's His work. Yeah. So I came with them yesterday.
Okay. So Nasto, these are the kids who were rescued also yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There are 3: Sophia, Mary, and Faith. Yes.
Yeah. So maybe we can do something. Maybe the idea that you you have for clothes. Yeah, we can do it. Yes. So guys, we have some small gifts. It's not big, you know. It's just small.
It's big for us. Because
yeah.
even me, it's not easy to go just outside there to collect some food and stuff. I'm just working inside here 24 hours. You know, I have little baby like this, the small kids. So I cannot go out. We have 6 months, 4 months, 8 months, and 11 months. So it's not easy for me just to go outside there to work. I'm just here to make sure that we have something for them to do. And then when I'm free, I'm just working in the garden. That is our garden. Always planting maize and other like vegetables, and other things.
That is good. So you don't buy most of the vegetables.
Some vegetables I don't buy them.
Some maize also you don't buy.
Yeah. Yes.
I like that.
Yes. So this is the gift that we have for you. I think it's not big.
It's a big for us.
You know, even growing, you just start from down here, then you grow up. I remember when we came here, it was
It
around.
was so sad.
Yeah.
We didn't have even enough
Yeah.
food, mattresses, and other things.
Yeah.
But they were started
Yeah.
supporting us
Step by
so
step.
by
Yes.
so, step by step, until
God is there for us.
Yeah.
God is doing wonders.
Yes.
I think
So at least.
we have some other kids. They just left. There are some boys. They went to circumcision.
Oh.
So even the girls, they just ran there to dance and celebrate.
Oh yeah.
They
are not here. They cannot stop here, and they are big music outside there.
Yeah. So
Kuja hapa mtoto.
hapa.
Hapa ndio nzuri ndio wanaweza.
Yes, so guys, this is the Noah's Boat Children's Home. Yeah, this is a place where children who don't have parents stay with this beautiful mother who has a good soul here to keep children here. Yeah, there are lots. Kuna ingine huko mbele.
Hebu nipangia watoto laini mbili.
Unapewa. So we have some soups.
Laini vitoto vidogo kila mazi. Unajua msichana.
Wapanga laini kutoka pale. Ndio laini mbili chukua video.
So this is what we brought for the kids, and also some milk. So nasty. Yeah. Yes, so the breads, I think 2 wawili. What that? Three.
Yeah, three for one.
Yeah.
These are around 6 slices.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So we are here. We are just sharing the sweets and everything. You can see the kids are getting at least something to eat and enjoy.
Yeah.
So everything today will be eaten here, and then we give out the sodas.
Yeah.
Just thank everyone who supports, everyone who thinks about the kids. May God bless you abundantly. So maybe if we are well wishers also, we can get them like soap for washing clothes.
Yeah.
Maybe the washing powder. Maybe other basins. I think those are the things that I'm realizing. That are not here. And also the last time you said that, I don't know, they added some more beds. Maybe today we can go and check. Remember?
Today. Yes.
They added some more beds. But I'm happy that we are here. We are sharing. So I'm requesting those people who have maybe like extra clothes, you can collect them, bring for the kids here. And also try to get a few. Then you can see, because we have a very good market at the border town. You can get very good clothes, maybe before Christmas, God willing. We can come and share.
So I think we should do it before Christmas. Before Christmas.
Hopefully, if all goes well.
So let's share this, guys. Early Christmas. We have early Christmas here. So maybe.
They're going to pay Fanta.
So
fortunately, we never carried open.
Open. Mom, tunaweza pata open?
Shika vizuri. Basi nitafutia open. Kwa zile fungo zangu.
So I said the younger ones should take Fanta.
Kuna wenye wajapata, wamepata wote. Sasa hizi
hizo tutaacha. Tutaziweka. Wamepata wote? Tutaziweka tu.
kila mtu amepata.
Mtu atatuambia soda yenye anakunywa.
Nakunywa soda yote. So they take any soda.
Mtu atuambie mwenye anataka Fanta.
Fanta.
Ziko pia.
Fanta.
Kule na mkate. Kama unataka ingine una change.
Mimi nataka
Fanta ni kidogo bwana.
So we got less sodas, the Fanta ones. I don't know if the market was.
Price is good.
Patia ule masi. Fanta zimeisha. Patia Fanta.
Hata hiyo iko sawa. Hiyo ni tamu pia.
Tamu.
Atachukua tu yeyote. Sprite ndio nyingi, chukua tu. Hizo ni kwa shade. Chukua ni Grace. Kwa shade. Ukichukua unakaa pale kwa shade, then unakaa mkate mkikaa chini.
Oh, mkate. Mom, ungetusaidia na mkate. Bread. 3 watatu. 3. Yeah. So
wasichana wakubwa mtanisaidia. Unagawa mkate mmoja kwa watoto 3. Mwenye hajachukua soda.
Wale wadogo wanaweza kuwa hata 4. Wengine hata 2.
Wale wadogo uweke 4, wakubwa uweke 3 mkate moja. Chukua. Achukua tena. Alafu wakae pale. Kaeni kwa shade ndio tuwapanga.
huko kwa shade. Nenda huko kwa dining. So they also have a shade there that they made.
Nene hajapata.
Nataka open. Waite. Shika Grace.
Wenye hajapata wakujua.
Pasta.
Wenye hajapata?
Open iko hapa. Hii ndio mzuri.
Utaki Fanta? Umeshafungua kunywa tu. Pea mwingine akubadilishe.
Nataka Fanta.
So she didn't want Fanta.
Wenye hawajapata waambie wakuje wachukue.
Wanaenda huko kwenye vijana wetu wamekaenda.
Ndio watu nje. Mwanga.
Ambaki anga.
Kamera, muamshe tu kwenye soda hiyo.
Mpeleke.
So
muziki iko huko ni kali. Vijana wamekaenda.
oh, yeah.
Wanakuja.
Mpaka wasichana. Wetu hapo. Watu hapo wameenda kusherehekea wafrano wamekaenda.
So we have a shade here. Maybe guys, I can show you this shade. Last time we were here, this shade was not here, but right now I think everything is good. This shade is very good for the kids. Now they are enjoying. Hey. You are enjoying? Yeah, so they're enjoying bread. So the kids are enjoying here, guys.
They have said there are some boys out, 19.
Oh, 19.
So left for them around 19.
Yeah.
Leo usinichukue tafadhali.
Kwa nini? Okay. Kwa nini?
Lakini niko na part yako na naomba utoe.
Yeah, so here we are sharing with the kids. It's a good feeling. Yeah?
Yeah. So now, what do you think about everything that is going on? Yes. They are singing.
Boys hawaimbi hata sijasikia.
Tuimbe.
Tuimbe kidogo. Aya, tuimbe mmoja basi yetu tukikumbuka.
Yeah. Yeah, so guys, the kids are singing. From this you can tell they are Christians and they fear God, of course. Yeah, number one is God, guys, and I really appreciate everything and everyone that is willing to support these kids here. You know, some people, like I can say even me, I was privileged to have parents, both of them. I have both parents, and yeah, and they are taking care of me, I'm taking care of them. That is the beautiful thing that you can ever like need, like in this world. I really feel happy sometimes when even my mother is there, she wants me to help her with something, you know, I help. But these kids here, they don't have parents. They are here, they only have one parent who is taking care of them, and it's very nice of her to take care of the kids here. They eat, they sleep good, they, you know, they go to school, you know, everything is working out very good. So, and I think the first time we came here, it was not the same as right now. I think every single day something is coming up, everything is, yeah. And I always say, like, you will never grow like once. You'll never grow once. You grow slowly, then yeah, boom, you're there. So guys, this is Noah's boat children's home. Yeah, and I want to put this out, guys, or rather request, like we are going to put out there like meet and greet, and you guys can tell us down the comment section if we should do it here. And if you're a YouTuber, you watch my videos from anywhere in the world, we are going to plan, of course, and then we will let you know the date which we will be meeting and greeting. And also it will not just be a meet and greet. It will be like anything that you have, be it small, be it big, anything that you have, guys, kindly come with it so that we can support these children who are here. Yeah, and God will bless you. Kindly, if you will watch this video, you are a YouTuber, be it from Nairobi, be it from Nyabuhanse, be it from USA, if you can make it, then kindly support us so that we can support these children at least this year. Before it ends, it will end with a good heart to these kids. Yeah, guys, let's support them. So let's go back and see over there, guys. So guys, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to subscribe, and share the video, guys. Give a like, a sweet comment over there, yeah, so that we can make a smile on these kids here. Beautiful young ladies and beautiful young men here. Yes. Hey, good boy. Yeah. So yes, yeah. Yes, so guys, let's
Yeah. So yeah, we have small kids. They are running outside here. We have preschool, PP1 and PP2. Then we have grade 1 and 2. And January we are going to join grade 3. But from grade 4, they were running outside because we cannot have enough money to pay the 5 teachers. We are paying 4 teachers. And for here now we have grade 4 up to form 4. Yeah, even secondary school. So it's just to pray for them. January.
And do you have some who are maybe have completed maybe from 4?
Yeah. We have 2 boys and 1 girl.
Are they here?
The girl is there. Grace, come. Yeah, he finished from 4 just last year. We are waiting for the results.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, this year?
Boys, yes.
Okay.
This one. She's now 16 years old.
Today?
Yeah, she finished from 4 just last year. We are waiting for the results. Yes. Her name is Grace Barbara. You can talk.
Yeah.
by
What's her
yourself.
name?
My name is Barbara Grace. I'm grateful for the help that you have received from the people. May God bless you.
Yeah. So, you finished Form 4. What is your dream?
I wish to be a doctor.
A doctor. Wow. Yeah, guys. She just finished Form 4 this year. Yes. Yeah. Her wish is to be a doctor, and my wish, may your wish. Yeah, come. Yeah, exactly.
May your dream come true.
Yes, exactly. Yes, so thank you so much. Yeah, let's wait. So, and
And we had other 2 boys, Bahati and Jeremiah. They have finished for 4, so they were 3.
3.
Yeah, 1 girl, 2 boys.
Wow.
We are praying for them to have a good result, so then we can see where we're going to put them. Maybe they are going to join the university, maybe they are going to join college, we don't know. It's our prayer that the result will tell us where they have to join, maybe next year. And other kids still, they need support, they need school uniform, they need books, pencil. January is just around the corner.
Yes.
We are praying for help so that they can get something to go back to school.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe books, pencil, other geometrical sets, uniform, things like that. Yeah, it's our prayer.
Yeah.
So anyone can help them.
Yeah, I believe everything will be well, and I always say where we touch, we leave a mark. And I believe we left a mark here, and which will never fade.
Yes.
Yeah, God will bless us always, and we will always come back. Yeah, and Mercy Empire, where's Mercy Empire? You know, there's a kid here for Mercy Empire.
I heard that.
Yeah, Mercy Empire. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah,
Mercy Empire.
Yes.
that is Mercy.
And we have
Mercy, how are you?
Where is the
Hey, hi.
Vero?
Say hi to Mercy. Hi to Mercy. Mercy, are you singing? I hope you are singing this Mercy here.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Wow.
And Gladys.
I
And
think when Mercy came here, she was very young.
Yeah, very young.
Now she has grown Mercy. You
Yeah.
can see.
they just came here when she
See
was just...
your namesake is now big.
Yeah, and this one,
Yes.
she's now 6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
That one is also Mercy.
No, this is Vero the boy.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Yes.
So these are boys, these are girls, and we have others here.
Yes.
Yeah, Esther, I don't know where she is.
Esther. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I really appreciate you so much for supporting Noah's Boat. Keep on supporting, and we will, Mama will tell you when maybe we'll come back very soon, before Christmas maybe, so that you can
I really
try.
appreciate
Yeah.
for your team.
Yeah.
I understand that you're struggling so much to get us somewhere. Yeah, we are still moving forward, and we really thank God for your support.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah. So, yes, I think we are done, and yeah.
We are
Yeah.
maybe you can.
Yes. Yeah.
Nafikiri wameleta crate yetu hapa na imejaa chupa
Oh,
kwa sababu